Yo, 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 yo. What is up, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode of Pillow Talk, the Photoshop Beginners Edition. So, what we're going to go over today is different ways to warp your letters and words. These are some things that I stumbled across during my journey. I am a beginner, just like you guys here. So, first and foremost, what you're going to want to do is type out whatever you want to say, anything. So I'm gonna spell out Pillow Talk here. Center it, do whatever you gotta do, and then you're gonna go to transform. So Control T or Command T, whatever one you would like to use. And next to the undo button, you're gonna see that little button right there. It's like the warp thing. And so what I'm doing right now is changing the arc. So this little square that you see right here is pretty much warping it into an arc. You can go an upper arc or a lower arc by just maneuvering how far you want to go there. And another thing that you could do, so you're going to want to go to filters, and you're going to want to convert it to smart filters. So you can do these next effects here. So you're going to hit Command T, Control T, transform, hit that same button, and you'll go over to where it says warp. And you can go to upper warp, lower warp. They have an arch one. They have a bulge, shell lower, shell upper. You're going to see all the options that I'm going to run through right here. And also, what I do want to tell you is all these options, they do have like a toggle, so you can change the threshold of how you want it to look, like so. Like a little fish drawing. I mean, it's valid. You can use it for little things. Creates like a little wave, you know. These go well with the perspective transform as well. We will get into that in another video, but these are little ways that I've seen, and give you guys a heads up. So if you go over to the layer panel and click the image where it says smart, if you tap that, you can change your text. So everything in here is adjustable, just to give you guys a heads up. And the next thing we're about to go over, I'm about to give you guys a smooth little hint that I use that I don't see a lot of people doing. I do this with a lot of things. I do this with outlining. I do this with sketches, all types of things, just to get like a smooth, different little effect. So what you're going to want to do is go to filter, go to the distort section, and all these over here have different things. So one of my favorites is ripples. Like I did in the Tyler graphic, I'll place a picture of it up right now. I use this. You can see that John's pretty fire. Like, you still can read it and it's not too much. And if you layer it right, it gives it like a little spike to it. Of course, it's not all that, what's the word, three-dimensional, but I believe it gives it a nice little touch with when pairing it. And the polar coordinates thing, it pretty much makes it into like a perfect circle or a rounded shape. So it's not that bad. I use this when trying to adding like my little stickers on like labels, logos, things like that. I'll type in whoa and just have it there. And the twirl effect is pretty much like the one before. It reminds me of like the fish, but the words don't take all that shape, but it does a good job of it. And everything is still legible here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. If you guys believe you have another video that you would want me to watch or speak about, I'm probably going to do I'm going to do a video on adding textures next. So probably within the next week I'll upload something. Thank you very much for hanging on with us today. I know that was a long tutorial, but yeah, have a good one.